beautiful day for a cattle drive. I'm Gus here. Here's my herd. See beautiful Owyhee front back there. All the different riders. Out here in Owyhee County, moving 100 head or so. Calves. Pretty awesome. About 3/4 of the way through our drive. Some of these old cows are getting really tired. The horse is getting tired too. Hey, what do you say, Jeff? Yeehaw!
Good country.
Yeah. There's the drive. There's War Eagle Mountain. Quicksilver right up there on the left of the biggest mountain. I killed a Boone and Crockett buck. There's the herd. Beautiful day. Especially for March. We have found a promised land. Oh boy. Beautiful Owyhee County. I gotta cut those boys off. I'm gonna do it.